In today's video, I'm going to teach you about my decision to leave Axos Bank. After spending a considerable amount of time with them as my primary financial institution, I realized that it was time for a change. Though Axos Bank has many strengths, there were a few persistent issues that ultimately led me to move my accounts elsewhere. To start with the positives, Axos Bank offers many appealing features that initially drew me in. One of the biggest perks is the absence of monthly fees on most of their accounts, which is quite rare in the banking world today and definitely appreciated by many customers. Another key advantage is their competitive annual percentage yields, or APYs, on both checking and savings accounts. This allowed me to earn more interest than I could with many traditional banks. Additionally, Axos Bank provides ATM reimbursements, so I never had to worry about incurring out-of-network fees, which is a nice relief. Managing my money was also facilitated by their digital access, enabling me to use their app or website conveniently when everything ran smoothly. However, despite these compelling benefits, there were significant challenges that made continuing with Axos less viable for my needs. The most persistent issue was their customer service delays. Getting in touch with a representative often took longer than it should, with response times that varied greatly. This inconsistency made it difficult to resolve even straightforward issues swiftly. Alongside this, I noticed a recurring problem with slow transaction processing. Deposits and transfers could linger for several days, causing uncertainty about my available balance and complicating budgeting and planning. Another frustration came from the mobile app and website, which, though promising in concept, often fell short in execution. There were instances of the app freezing, unexpected logouts, or displaying outdated information after updates. All these glitches could make managing my finances more cumbersome than it needed to be. Furthermore, Axos Bank had some policy and promotion issues. Some of their offers and rate conditions weren't clearly explained, leading to discrepancies between the advertised benefits and what I actually received in my account statements. Perhaps the most critical factor was the lack of physical branches. While digital access is convenient, it doesn't replace the reassurance of having a branch nearby, especially when problems require immediate attention or more personalized interaction. Handling everything by phone or online chat often felt neither efficient nor comforting. In conclusion, though Axos Bank remains financially strong and cost-effective, the digital service gaps and communication issues made it less practical for me over time. If you highly value low fees and strong APYs, Axos could be worth considering. However, if you prioritize fast support and reliability, you might encounter challenges similar to mine.